Hi guys, it's Dee from Sarah Design. It's been a while. Lots been going on in my life. Didn't recently move. I moved about a year ago. And I decided to post a video real quick for you. This video could be better, but it is what it is. I just wanted to get something out there. I am showing you my desk. This is the clutter of my desk. I moved to a much smaller craft room, so I needed something more to help me organize my desk. So I got this off a free site. A woman posted it for free. Didn't work for her house. She got it from Goodwill for $19.99. I'm trying to scrape off one of the millions of stickers that the Goodwill puts on their items with that scraper. I eventually lost that scraper and had to use my fingernail to get them off because I misplaced where the scraper was. But anyway, so yeah, it's a very heavy piece of furniture, and my plan was to put it on top of that desk so that I have some organized space in front of me, and I managed to get it up there. So that was a win. So it has 6 slots, but it only had 4 drawers. So my plan was, I thought, okay, well, I could just have a couple empty slots there. So I'm putting the drawers in there, as you see. Eventually I end up taking most of them out because I have stuff in front of me when I'm working on my desk. And for me to have to be able to open and close those drawers made no sense because I have to move everything. Here I am trying to move the lamp up top, but it kept getting stuck. The wire kept getting stuck underneath the shelf. So every time I tried to get it free, it would get stuck again, and I eventually got it freed up. See, it got stuck. Like it didn't want to go up there to its new home. Its new home is now on the top shelf. That's one lamp I have. And then I got an Ott lamp. I believe it's called an Ott lamp. Really strong craft lamp. I love it. I got 2 of them, I think, Tuesday mornings. They were like $9-10 each. I got one for myself and one for Sarah. So that works great. That lives up there. And let's see, what else? Oh, there I am with, told you, my fingers. I was trying to scrape it, ruined my fingernails. Not that they're in good shape anyway, but I could have used that scraper that I couldn't find, and I searched for a good 10 minutes for it. But after I took everything off of my desk and put everything down on the floor and other places in the office the craft room trying to make room for the shelf, I misplaced it. So anyway, there I am trying to figure out where I want to put the drawers. And like I said, there's 4 of them. Eventually, I think I only have 2 in there now. It made no sense to keep them all in there because it just doesn't make sense. Look, there's that scraper. Told you I misplaced it somewhere. I finally found it, but the job was done that I needed the scraper for. But that was one of those Cricut scrapers. So there I am putting things back over to the other desk. And yeah, back to the drawers. So yeah, it made no sense for me to have the drawers because I have stuff in front of me. In front of the drawers, I'd have to move everything to open the drawers. And I like to see my items. I like to see what I have. If I can't see it, I'm not going to use it. So I would rather clear. If the drawers were clear, that would be good. But even still, the drawers made no sense. That's my huge mess. I will do a craft room tour once I get it all situated. But seriously, I moved from a studio that was pretty much 3 times the size of this to this little spare bedroom situation here. So I didn't get rid of any stuff. I just tried to cram it all into one little room. I did move my jewelry making items downstairs into the basement because I don't use it much. So if I need it, I know where it is, but I needed the space. So here it is, a finished product. Doesn't much look like that now, though. It's kind of a organized mess, if you will. But I still need to do a lot more reorganizing, and I'll do a craft room tour eventually once I get everything situated. But this is my desk. This is what I work, and I need this stuff in front of me when I create, when I make cards or do whatever. I like to have it all around me. So that's my mess for now. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.